there we are, grass all cut. That took about 50 minutes, I reckon, 55 minutes. Obviously the strimming took a little bit longer than usual. Grass took a little bit longer than usual because I'd left it for 5 weeks instead of my usual 2 or 3. So the path is all nice and cut. Bit of weed killer down as well. And all trimmed around the edges. Sadly, can't have any visitors, but you have to keep it looking its best. So yeah, that was 5 weeks growth on the grass, so I won't be letting it get that long again. But listen, thank you very, very much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.